And I'd like to welcome all of you to the virtual Phoenix School of Discovery for the 2022 WHAS LG&E KU ExCEL Award. Ms. Levinson is a middle school math teacher. She works primarily with students with autism. She is a coordinator of our social communications program, which specializes in kids that not only have autism, but also really struggle with communication. I'm going to introduce you to some of her companions. There's Buster the dog, Jupiter the rabbit, there's Dexter and Enzo the guinea pigs. So they're an important part of this, and it's truly genius. I mean, it has so transformed her room and my building.
Yeah, we got a bunny here as well. I love seeing all of the pets here in the classroom.
You truly want to make sure your kids are engaged in learning. And all too often in special education, that doesn't happen enough. So I can't thank you for ensuring that your kids have those same great opportunities for deeper learning, be engaged in the learning and at school.
And we can see, because she's received this award today, that she brings that same grit and determination to her profession that she does to her athletic accomplishments. I'm so glad to know you, and I'm so glad that the district has found that you're deserving of this award.
We got Naomi from the newspaper article is going to be presenting.
Yay, perfect. Okay, great. So congratulations, Ms. Levinson, on your ExCEL Award on behalf of LG&E and KU. We are so proud to have teachers like you in our communities.
I'm happy to present you with an award of $1,000 that we know will be well used for your students and in your classroom.
I'm really lucky and I'm honored to work with this amazing group of kids and with our animals and with all of the families that I've gotten to know really well over the last several years. Phoenix has given me the gift of a job that I love, and I get to collaborate with other professionals who are equally passionate about kids. So thank you for recognizing our work here together, and also thank you for recognizing me and for our social communication program.